What's up, guys? Welcome to Richie's Diesel. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you exactly how to operate the exhaust brake in your Duramax. What we have here is a 2016 LML Duramax. We are presently coming down the 6% grade out of Flagstaff, Arizona, down to, well, ultimately to Phoenix, but it's a long grade, over 20 miles at 6%. As you can see, it's about 2,500 RPM. We are towing about 10,000 pounds. And yeah, so you want to keep it somewhere around 2,500 RPM, so the back pressure built up in that exhaust brake when the turbo closes is conducive for slowing the vehicle down. So now it's starting to level out. We're going to tap it up. We're back to M5. It is in manual mode. It's easier to control that way, but it's leveling off here, so we'll wait a minute and I will go back to the video. So the roadway seems to have leveled off for quite a period of time here, but I just wanted to cover some things. The whistle you hear, if you can hear it in the background there, is the billet compressor wheel in this turbo. It is a modified, mostly stock LML Duramax turbo platform that I put together myself. But okay, here it goes. Now we're hitting a little bit of a grade, so we're still in 5th gear. You can hear the turbo starting to sing. We're making about 24 PSI boost there. EGTs are still pretty good, around 800, 868 there, as you can see. Yeah, it's just humming right along. EGT has been pretty low for the most part. This is mostly a downgrade. We are coming, like I said, out of Flagstaff, so that's around, I think it's 7,000 or 8,000 feet above sea level, going down to Phoenix, which is a steady descent, you know, from an altitude. All right, so we're starting to hit a little bit of a grade again. As you can see, exhaust brake is on. Close to about 2,000. It is starting to pick up again. We're about 60 miles per hour. The sweet spot for that exhaust brake, and not too strenuous on the engine, is around that 2,000 RPM limit. Now it's starting to level off. But if it started to accelerate, you know, because the grade got so steep, around 2,500 RPM or so, you can upshift if you wish, just to keep it around that sweet spot, but you don't want it to go much past 3,000 RPM. Now we're back into a little bit of an incline right now. We are still in 5th gear. It's humming along about 900 degrees. EGTs, boost is making 27 right now, 29. 5th gear is is still in overdrive. That's about 0.72 and 0.71 to 1 on the Allison at least. And now we're just getting to the top here. So I guess the steep grade is over at this point, but I just did want to clarify something. Earlier Duramaxes used to have a little red mark somewhere around the 4,000, 4,500 RPM range. That was the red line for trailering, and then it was a solid red line around 5, which was that's the bad zone. I just want to clarify something. I don't like to go past the 3,000 RPM. What do you call it? Max for descending with the exhaust brake on, just because I begin to cringe when it gets over 3,000. An unloaded engine revving that high is never a good thing. I'm sure you can get away with it for a short period of time, but for prolonged exposure like that, it's not going to have a good outcome. So nonetheless, like I said, I like to keep it below 3,000 RPM. Oh, we have a tire shredded on something up here. It was the minivan. Look at that, right on fill. Anyway, hope this video helps out some people with their Duramaxes, and you know, trailer safely, guys. Bye.